Introducing iJDMTOY Switchback LED Headlight C-Ring for the 2015 through 2018 Subaru WRX and WRX STI. This is a pair of LED circuit boards that contours to the C shape of your WRX's headlights to add daytime running light and turn signal functionality. While there are other C-Rings in the aftermarket, we've crafted our own to create the brightest there is. You can definitely see how vibrant the amber yellow is when you engage your turn signal lights. When you complete your turn, the C-Ring switches back to white to run as daytime running lights. Very few C-Rings out there have the option of brightening itself during the daytime and slightly dimming itself at night. Our C-Ring DRLs are certainly brighter and more aesthetically pleasing than the competitors, shining in xenon white for a clean and consistent look with your other LED lights. If you like this video, like, share, and comment, and follow our social media channels for more updates. Thanks for watching.